What if the healthiest-looking meal you eat is secretly damaging your body? The answer may be hiding in your cooking oil. Canola, sunflower, soybean, corn. These seed oils are marketed as heart-healthy. But new research is turning that idea upside down. Today, we reveal the truth behind seed oils, their impact on your body, and the shocking alternatives that could transform your health. What are seed oils, and why are they everywhere? Seed oils come from highly processed seeds like soybeans, corn, canola, rapeseed, and sunflower. They became popular in the mid-20th century as cheap alternatives to butter and animal fats. Today, they're in nearly everything: packaged snacks, restaurant meals, salad dressings, healthy protein bars, and even your favorite granola. They're often labeled as vegetable oils, but they're far from natural. The real problem: omega-6 overload and chronic inflammation. Seed oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 is essential, too much throws your body into an inflammatory state. Chronic inflammation is now linked to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, autoimmune conditions, and gut disorders. Here's the kicker: Americans are consuming up to 20x more omega-6 than omega-3s. That's a recipe for disaster. How seed oils are made, and why it matters. Unlike olive or coconut oil, seed oils require heavy industrial processing. Seeds are heated to high temperatures. Solvents like hexane are used for extraction. Deodorizers are added to remove the rancid smell. Synthetic antioxidants like BHT or TBHQ are added to preserve shelf life. The result? A highly unstable oil loaded with oxidized fats and chemical residues. What does the science say? More studies are questioning the heart-healthy label on seed oils. Some findings show increased LDL oxidation, bad cholesterol damage, insulin resistance, and blood sugar issues. Gut permeability, aka leaky gut. Links to anxiety and cognitive decline via brain inflammation. The science isn't fully settled, but the red flags are real. Better options. Oils that heal, not harm. You don't have to fear fat, just choose wisely. Top healthy cooking oils include extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols, anti-inflammatory. Avocado oil, high smoke point, neutral flavor, monounsaturated fats. Coconut oil, great for baking, supports energy and metabolism. Grass-fed butter or ghee, high in CLA, butyrate, and fat-soluble vitamins. Beef tallow, great for high-heat cooking, stable and nutrient-dense. The bottom line? Eat fats that humans have used for thousands of years, not those made in a lab. Hidden sources, where seed oils are sneaking in. It's not just what you cook with, it's what you eat. Seed oils are hidden in coffee creamers, hummus, nut butters, bread, deli meats, and healthy snacks like granola bars. Even if you avoid the bottle at home, these oils might still be hijacking your health. Read labels carefully. Final thoughts. The 30-day oil detox challenge. If you're dealing with fatigue, bloating, skin issues, or brain fog, your cooking oil could be the culprit. Try this. Switch to anti-inflammatory oils only. 2. Cut all processed foods with seed oils. And 3. Track your energy, mood, and digestion over 30 days. You might be shocked at how quickly your body responds. Subscribe now for more health myth-busting and real science-backed wellness tips every day. Let us know in the comments. Will you ditch seed oils after this?